Every telecaller and salesperson has one thing they trust more than any software: their Excel database. Then one day, they're told to stop using Excel and start updating a CRM. That's where productivity starts slowing down. Because Excel isn't just software. It's muscle memory built over years of work, practice, and daily usage. What if your Excel becomes your CRM? What if every call, WhatsApp message happened directly from your Excel database? Make direct calls effortlessly, call leads, send WhatsApp messages, email prospects, update follow-ups, manage your entire sales and telecalling process from your own Excel sheet. Don't make your telecallers work for CRM. Make CRM work for your telecallers. Use Calltica.
Automate your telecalling process. Visit Calltica.com.